Hey, it's Elfie. Let's begin with skincare products using the Beauty Serum and the Instant Lifting Serum. Day Cream, which has 20 SPF sunscreen in it. And I like to keep my Epic Mascara and my coffee as a stirrer. Using face primer to set my face before putting foundation. It's good for your hair as well. BB Cream in the shade Honey. Eye primer. Powder foundation. Concealer. Let's hide those bags. Setting powder using my dual brush. One is smaller than the other. Using my eyebrow palette. Start at the top and then the bottom, then fill in. Top, bottom, fill in. Curling my eyelashes, but also adding on my lash serum to grow my lashes. Let's do our eyes. Always start off something lighter in the corner of your eyes and go darker. I'm going for cold colors, using my blending brush to blend the colors in. Using the blending brush again. Brown eyeliner. White eyeliner. We're going to ombre my lips. Using the Splash liquid lipstick. Add some blush and luminizer. And let's add on some Epic Mascara. Visit my website, elffiewithyounique.com. Thanks for watching!